How to create a paid Telegram channel. If any day any of you would like to create a paid Telegram channel but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Telegram application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on Telegram like this. After you tap on Telegram like this, Telegram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the pencil-like icon on the downside. After you tap on the pencil-like icon on the downside, now here you have to tap on the option of New Channel. After that, now you have to tap on the option of Create a Channel. Now, after that, you can name your channel like this. You can also keep a description for that and then go to the tick like icon. Now, after here, you have to go to the option of the private channel here. And then what you can do is you can go to the option of the tick here. And then again, go to the option of the next. And then your very channel will be created. After you create a channel, now what you have to do is you have to go to the search icon and then search invite member here. Now, after you search invite member here, you can find the invite member bot here, or you can tap on invite member bot like this. And you have to tap on the option of invite members here. After you tap on the option of invite members bot like this, now you have to go to the option of start. After tapping on the option of the start, now what happens is it will take you to an interface like this. You have to wait for the next method. After that, what you have to do is after when you start like this, you have to tap on start again, and then you have to wait for a while until the bot will send you various kind of methods. Now here you can also tap on the option of the paid channel to create a paid channel. And after you tap on the paid channel, after some time when your bot is really active, you will get the option of getting a paid channel option. Then you can tap on it and add it to your very channel that you had created, and this way a paid channel will be created. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.